Here are 5 news items from the world of cryptocurrency. First, news. Bitcoin is repeating the bull market patterns of 2015. Bitcoin's current behavior is attracting increasing attention from investors as it strongly resembles the bull market of 2015 to 2017. Historical parallels suggest huge prospects for Bitcoin's price dynamics. After hitting a new all-time high of $73,000 in March this year, the price of Bitcoin fell by 20%. This correction was the sharpest since the FTX crash in November 2022. On May 21, the leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization attempted to recover, reaching $72,000. At the time of writing, BTC is trading around $68,000, according to CoinGecko. In terms of comparison, the price drops in the uptrend of 2023 to 2024 are remarkably similar to those observed during the 2015 to 2017 bull market, noted Glassnode analysts. During the bull market that began in 2015, Bitcoin had no derivative instruments. The cryptocurrency's price rose solely due to spot trades. The emergence of spot-based ETFs and capital inflows into the new product strengthened the market, making it more stable. In the early years of Bitcoin's existence, the market infrastructure was not as developed as it is now. The main and only reason for the asset's price rise was fundamental demand, not speculative trading. Today's reliance on spot trades indicates a return to these basic dynamics, which may suggest a more sustainable growth trajectory. Last week, the daily inflow of funds into spot Bitcoin ETFs averaged $210 million, signaling a phase of strong BTC accumulation. This sharply contrasts with the selling pressure from miners who sell tokens worth about $32 million daily due to the halving. Although ETF inflows have slowed slightly in recent weeks, the overall trend remains positive. According to Farside, this week's net inflow into the instrument exceeded $122 million. Buyer demand is currently very strong. This trend is confirmed by on-chain analysis from Santiment. Over the past 5 months, Bitcoin wallets holding at least 10 BTC have increased their holdings by 154,560 BTC. Accumulation is usually a key indicator of bullish market sentiment. Traditionally, one of the leading indicators for the crypto market is the combined holdings of wallets with at least 10 BTC, including exchange or other wallets. When the owners of these wallets accumulate Bitcoins, the crypto market grows. When they sell them off, prolonged bear markets ensue, commented Santiment analysts. Second, news. TON and 3 other cryptocurrencies that could hit all-time highs in June. Since mid-May, Bitcoin has been teasing the market with the possibility of reaching a new all-time high, as have many other cryptocurrencies, including TON. BitGet, BGB, has emerged as a leader. The BGB price was not close to setting a new all-time high just a week ago. However, a 16% increase in recent days changed the situation, and at the time of writing, the altcoin was only 5% away from its ADH of $1.38. It is likely that the token will reach this mark and set a new all-time high within the next month. This is indicated by the Ichimoku cloud, which shows a bullish sentiment and is below the candles. The Ichimoku cloud is a comprehensive technical analysis indicator that determines support and resistance levels, indicates the trend direction, and measures the strength of the movement. If the price breaks through the resistance at $1.33, it could approach setting a new ADH. However, BitGet may face a correction if the bullish breakout fails. Investors may want to lock in profits, which could push the price down to $1.24. Bitcoin's price has been hovering around $68,500 for several days but has not yet turned this level into support. This is critical if the crypto asset aims to set a new ATH, as the barrier between BTC and ATH, $73,650, is at $71,800. The BTC chart has shown a macro flag pattern since early February. This bullish continuation pattern targets a 45% increase to $92,505. However, a more realistic scenario is absorbing the ATH, which is only 8% above the current price. However, the third quarter is known as one of the slowest growth months for the market. Therefore, the potential for an ATH update could be undermined. Further bearish sentiment could send the price to $64,883. The 3-year wait for BNB investors continues. The last time BNB's price reached an all-time high was 3 years ago, in May 2021. The altcoin potentially could have repeated this feat last month but failed in the attempt. Nevertheless, steady price growth over the past month has strengthened investor optimism. Binance native token is now only 13% away from its ADH, $686. The Ikimoku cloud not only highlights the bullish sentiment but is also below the candles, fueling belief in a new all-time high. However, given that investors have been disappointed before, they may decide to sell their coins in June. If the BNB price does not break through the all-time high, the altcoin may lose its upward trend and fall to $575 or lower. Notcoin showed fantastic results in the second quarter of 2024. It not only updated its ATH but is also ready to push it further. To do this, the price needs to turn the $6.50 level into support. If this happens, Notcoin could start a 15% increase, overcome the $7 barrier, and reach an ATH of $7.60. Although overall market signals support a bullish scenario, the $7 mark is a key resistance. TON has failed to break through this barrier 3 times since April, and if it happens again, the altcoin is likely to fall to $6.50. Losing this support could send TON back to $6 or lower. Third news. Several Bybit employees resigned after issues with the Notcoin listing. On the day of the listing of the much-anticipated Notcoin project token, the cryptocurrency exchange Bybit faced technical problems. According to Chinese journalist Colin Wu, after the incident, several Bybit employees voluntarily resigned. The exchange representatives confirmed this information. On the day of the Not cryptocurrency listing, May 16, Bybit clients could not top up their accounts. This led to significant losses as users could not immediately sell the asset. The issue affected 320,000 people, with total losses amounting to $23 million. Bybit representatives prepared a compensation plan for all affected users. Clients will receive 30 MNT, a $50 trading bonus, and a VIP plus 1 upgrade for 3 months. VIP users of the exchange will also receive an additional bonus of up to $500 according to their VIP level. The total compensation amount will be $26 million, wrote Bybit co-founder Ben Zhou. According to him, the payments will be processed within 3 days. Affected users will receive letters with all the necessary information. Referring to an internal letter from the exchange's management, Colin Wu previously wrote that after the incident, several Bybit executives decided to resign. Bybit allegedly hired new technical and spot managers in their place. In a comment for CoinDesk, Bybit representatives confirmed the information spreading online. "We are aware of the recent news about our executives' movements. Bybit regularly updates its organizational structure to align with our strategic goals. Together with the team, we have committed to appointing the right people to the right positions," they noted. After a decline of more than 85%, the cryptocurrency of the gaming Web3 project Notcoin managed to make up for the lost ground by the end of May. According to CoinGecko, the price of Not has jumped by 150% in the past week. Fourth news. Japanese cryptocurrency exchange DMM Bitcoin hacked for $305 million. Japanese cryptocurrency exchange DMM Bitcoin lost $305 million due to a hacker attack. As a result of the breach, attackers stole 4,502 bitcoins. DMM Bitcoin representatives confirmed the attack and promised to fully compensate all user losses. In an official blog, the DMM team wrote that the breach occurred today, May 31st. Developers discovered that unknown individuals had gained unauthorized access to the exchange's wallet. The exchange representatives emphasized that they took prompt action to prevent the outflow of funds. However, the hackers still managed to withdraw more than $305 million in Bitcoin. After the incident, DMM imposed restrictions on all spot purchases and warned that withdrawing funds in Japanese yen might take longer than usual. This will continue until the exchange deals with the consequences of the hack. The exchange's team stated that they would fully compensate users for the losses incurred. DMM Bitcoin representatives have not yet specified when they will begin payments to affected clients. Please rest assured that we will provide an equivalent amount of BTC equal to the lost amount, with the support of the group of companies, and guarantee full coverage of the losses, the platform's statement said. Fifth news. Hamster Combat token to launch in the TON ecosystem. The Open Network team announced a partnership with the viral game Hamster Combat, which has already attracted more than 60 million players. The Web3 gaming project Hamster Combat will launch its hamster ecosystem and token on the TON blockchain. According to the announcement, a special card has appeared in Hamster Combat in honor of joining the TON ecosystem. By purchasing it, users will be able to receive rewards. On Monday, June 3rd, a live broadcast will be held on X with representatives from the Open Network and Hamster Combat, noted the TON team. The gaming project's team may announce additional details, such as the token launch. The release of the coin under the ticker HMSTR is expected in June. This is stated in the project's roadmap, but no specific dates have been provided yet. Hamster Combat is another clicker game within the Telegram Messenger. For each tap on the screen, users receive yet-to-be-existent coins. The game also offers the possibility of passive income. To do this, players need to purchase special cards. According to the latest data, Hamster Combat has nearly 24 million active players. Today, the project team also shared another achievement: the number of subscribers to the official Telegram channel has exceeded 21 million. Last week, Hamster Combat developers launched their own YouTube channel, which gained more than 10 million subscribers in just 7 days. The team publishes videos on game updates and various educational content for crypto newcomers. Thus, the project representatives aim to attract more users to blockchain technology. A similar project, Notcoin, launched its Not token in the middle of this month. After listing on cryptocurrency exchanges, the asset's price dropped significantly but has been making up for lost ground over the past week.